You're tuned in to the Kansas City Weather Report, your daily source for the latest local forecast right here in KC. Whether you're planning your commute, weekend barbecue, or just trying to figure out if you need that extra layer, Wes has you covered. So let's dive into today's forecast.
Welcome to the Kansas City Weather Report. I'm meteorologist Wes Peary. Today is Monday, February 17th, and here's what's up with the weather. You may be seeing a little bit of light snow as you go out the door this morning. We're going to have a couple little episodes of light snow first this morning, and then one later on this evening. They're actually both going through around the commute times. Generally, just this evening up until around midnight, we could pick up as much as a dusting to an inch of snow, which is more than what we got on Saturday. That's for sure. We got like nothing Saturday. Wind chills again today and this morning, like near zero to the single digits. It's only going to be 5 to 10 for the warmest part of the day from the wind chills. And then the wind chills begin their descent down into the negatives. Once they get into the negatives this evening, they may not come out of it until Friday afternoon-ish. We're about to spend such a long time in the negatives. So, overall arching theme of the forecast is here. It's very cold, dangerously cold. The coldest mornings of it all are going to be tomorrow morning, Wednesday, and Thursday morning. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday mornings, the wind chill, you're negative 20 to negative 25 each morning. The warmest part of the day on Tuesday only feels like negative 15. The warmest part of the day Wednesday only feels like negative 10. Thursday afternoon feels like 0. Friday morning feels like negative 10, and then Friday afternoon feels like positive 10. So that's nice. So again, it's just ridiculously cold all this week. Just whenever you go outside, prepare for like the coldest thing possible. Dress as warmly as you can. That's it. Now let's get into the snow situation. There'll be occasional light snow from tonight through the tomorrow morning commute. Up until like 9 o'clock, it's probably not going to be much in terms of accumulation. Once we get past 9 o'clock in the morning, that is 9 a.m., the heavier snow starts to move in, and there'll be pretty persistent snow showers throughout the day on Tuesday. It's going to be incredibly light, fluffy snow. It'll blow around very easily. You may be able to get a snowblower out and clear off your driveway that way. It's going to be so light because it's going to be so cold that some of the stuff may not even look like snowflakes. They may look like little needles or spikes, not like exactly the circular round things we're used to seeing, because of how the snowflake is forming. It's going to be so cold. They may not all be nice little pretty snowflakes that we see. But it's snowing essentially from 9 a.m. Tuesday until around 6 p.m., and then it moves out. Of course, give or take a few hours on that, but that's the general time frame it'll be snowing. For all the metro, we're looking at generally 2 to 6 inches of accumulation. The north side, 2 to 4. The south side, 3 to 6. This is going to stick to everything because it's so ridiculously cold. Haven't made that apparent yet, how cold it's going to be. So once this stuff starts sticking, it's not going to be melting anytime soon. I mean, maybe it melts a little bit on Thursday when we'll get some sunshine out, but this is just going to be a gigantic cold, snowy mess. We'll get to Thursday and may actually get to 10 degrees for a high. You're not going to notice this at all, but Tuesday, Wednesday is only like 5 for a high, and the lows are like negative 5. We may set new record cold low temperatures Wednesday, Thursday, Friday mornings. Yeah, pretty cold. And then the weekend, though, there's hope for the weekend. Saturday, 35 degrees. Sunday, 43 degrees. Next Monday, 50. Next Tuesday, 55 degrees. Yeah, it may not even go below freezing next Monday and Tuesday. Or Wednesday, for that matter. Sweet. It'll be really nice. So to reiterate, it's going to be incredibly cold this week. It's going to snow on Tuesday, and the snow is probably not going to go anywhere until next weekend. Please be careful as you're shoveling your driveway. I mean, you got to bundle up. Every scarf, hat, gloves, everything. You got to put it all on if you're going to be shoveling the snow, because it's going to be super duper cold. Sorry I couldn't bring more positivity other than the weekend being like 50. Try better next time. But thanks so much for joining me for this edition of the Kansas City Weather Report. You can find me on social media with all the winter weather updates at Wes Weather. Don't forget to subscribe to this podcast. I'll keep you updated on here as well. Have a good one.